We have to deal with this, and we will deal with this. We will not relent in degrading, eradicating, and eliminating gangs and gang members. And I want to be absolutely clear on this. I've given a policy directive that these multiple victim violent incidents must be dealt with specially.
When you hear that, my viewers, so the Prime Minister Andrew Holness step out on Walton Park Road after 5 men lose them life with the Minister of Security beside him and the Commissioner beside him. And when you hear what he must say? He must say them a go deal with this. So make we see if them a go deal with this no more people and see where I go on no. If nothing a go change no. So no, welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. We have that for talk about, plus Chupsy meet him fate in the reverse way and Tyler drop out of St. Thomas. So before me jump in the reason and make you know what I go on, you listen to this.
Yes, man. Everybody go with madam. I really thought that still.
Innocently, I try to get her about bump buck that a fair business. She still get fucked, and that nah change. She still get fucked. The man them still fuck out her belly, and it nah go change. It nah go change.
You wanna pay? Is that right?
Nah go change. She don't take fucking her whole. She mash up right now. She a bleed hard. Hard. What a man going at that dog? Yo, I'm at this thing. Moody give a fuck if it was my sister, bro. Cause I'm not chat to my sister them. Not chat to my sister them. Not chat to my sister them. That my sister them ever ask me for money. I'm not give them no money. Cause they not rate me. Be a money. Them more. I wanna ask girl love too much fucking money for wanna go look at work. Go look at work now, man. Go look at work now, man.
When you hear it, them viewers, a bag of voice note a circulate the media with the local schoolboy them will get arrested for Grape. And as you can hear in the voice note, them little boy you no care about what them do. Them little boy you not show no remorse. You no hear how them a laugh and a talk. You no see say the youth the boy you no love in them heart for the woman them. Hear how the youth a talk about him own sister. I say if him wake up a morning and he say some man Grape off him sister, him would even care. Cause him sister no like him and him worse no like him sister. So you know when me would I like for know right now, how much more video them youth you have in a them phone. Cause the way them attack, it look like a regular, them plan up and carry home other people pitney, and go Grape them off and video it, Squaddy them need to investigate that and search the phone. See ya, them always say the youth them are the next generation and the youth them are the future. But them youth their future look dark, me I tell you no. See they know, courthouse settings, jailhouse settings, who I go feel it in a this? Mother and the father them. So no walk with me my people. See Chupsy ya, we meet him fate in a the reverse way. Half a people a want him all long. Say if you low out the old dirty youngers them, worse you nah no helmet and you nah have the proper gear for ride them. But him never want listen. Him still go ride youngers till him friend them a fear drag him out from underneath a car bottom. Me a tell you no. Meet him fate in a the reverse way as when me say. The youth them boy you no take talk and them no listen to nobody all the warning where them get and them never want listen So see me Chupsy 3 points gone. So no walk with me again. But we see 21-year-old Tyler Joseph from Prospect Housing Scheme at St. Thomas. Police them find him on him veranda dead like dog. And everybody I wonder, I coulda who do this to Tyler? People them a say it look like a him take him on a 3 points. Some a say why would Tyler take him on a 3 points when Tyler go fly out November the 3rd if he go back to Florida? You see how mankind wicked? You see how mankind evil? Can this be a family turn enemy or a friend turn enemy and take Tyler Joseph life? Jaja Father God, set away boy. So me go make squaddy them do them investigation, and Lord them make them do them thing. So no walk with me now where we see Bro God and the Minister of Security Orius Cheng and the Commissioner of Police. My viewers, them attack a bag of thing, and nothing a go change. Bro God put on him best outfit for come out pan Waltham Park Road for come smile to the people them, you know. But as what I say, the government find out that the ghetto will always be the ghetto. And not change no they down there. Because ghetto people are wait pan government for make change in a ghetto when a them live there. A full time now the ghetto people them wise up, you know, and realize what go on, you know. Nobody no really care about no cry, you know. No matter how much one drop on the lane or how much marijuana get splash out on the main. At the same sad story the government a go come talk, smile on the TV, and nothing a go happen. Flood the place with police, and by next week, back to normal programming. So see him there, say them a go do this, say them a go do that, 30 mil them a put up for information. We a go see how all of that a go. Cause when I say, no plan no de boy fi fight crime. Feelings tragedy them a work with same way. Flooding the place with police and talk about Zozo and curfew. Them days are done. You know long war a fight boy. From what kill fill up man a dead. And dance and general a program youth. And all know the system they can't stop. So as what I say, the killer them go on Waltham Park Road, 70 lane, and pluck out chicken eye, left lanky flat pan film face, and wad up marrow get splash out. Some people protect phone 3POINTS a road, you know. Know what na do, you know. Until next time, you don't know the code. A life over death. You hear that?